Hi everyone, this is Glenn and welcome to Yaobu TV. And for today's video, tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano magbilang in weeks. So without further ado, let's start.
1, 2, 3, come on!
So ang weeks nila dito guys in Chinese Mandarin is Lipai. Lipai. So let's start from Monday. Lipai Yi. Lipai Yi. Tuesday, Lipai Er. Lipai Er. Wednesday, Lipai San. Lipai San. Thursday, Lipai Su. Lipai Su. Friday, Lipai U. Lipai U. Saturday, Lipai Liu. Lipai Liu. And Sunday, Lipai Tian. Lipai Tian. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung Sunday nila is supposed to be dapat Lipai Chi, diba? Kasi yung 7 is Chi. Pero, we pronounce it as Lipai Tian. Sunday, Lipai Tian. So ayun, tapos na tayo. So ulit lang natin, mabilisan lang. So yung weeks nila is Lipay. So kapag magbibilang tayo ng Monday to Sunday, dadagdagan mo lang yung Lipay and then yung number. So from Monday, it's Lipay E. Tuesday, Lipay R. Wednesday, Lipay San. Thursday, Lipay Su. Friday, Lipay U. Saturday, Lipay Liu. And Sunday, Lipay Lian. So ayun guys, tapos na natin ang ating quick tutorial video for today and sana meron kayong natutunan. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aking videos. And please give this a thumbs up and leave your comment down below and share this video. So maraming salamat. See you on my next video. Paalam!